in the cracks that were spreading my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for being here today. As you can see from the title of the video, we are going to be working underneath my sink. We are going to get everything organized, and yes, I know it looks terrible right now. I'm a little embarrassed, but it's real life. It is what it is. I don't know how many times I've organized under here and it always ends up looking like this. I blame my husband, especially because he can't defend himself right now. But anyhow, we are going to start off by taking everything out. Once I do that, I'm going to go through everything, try and figure out what's trash, what goes to the garage, and just try and figure out some way to get everything organized without having to purchase anything new. And I think I achieved it. I only purchased one thing, which you'll see later on in the video. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get started. If you do enjoy today's video, please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe, 'cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here.
So in case you haven't noticed, my kitchen is pretty outdated. I think the cabinets are original with the house. I don't know. We've never changed them since we've been here. We've lived here for about 10-11 years actually. So there's a lot of stains on the cabinets that don't come off, as you can see now, but it doesn't bother me. I feel very thankful to have my own home. But I did want to point that out in case you guys are wondering. But I did something a little bit crazy. Because my kitchen is so outdated and so small, I really have to get creative with my space. And I had this idea to put my microwave in here in this cabinet, and it worked out. I got a new cabinet that I am going to be painting and hopefully be able to show you guys in another video. It's like a little pantry cabinet that my mom gave to me. It's nothing fancy. It's a really old cabinet, but I'm hoping that it looks good in my kitchen after I paint it. So I'm crossing my fingers. But anyhow, let's move on with the rest of the video. I am just refilling some of these bottles here so that I can go ahead and start getting everything organized, or just try and figure out how I want to organize everything.
Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words.
This tier tray organizer is from Target. I got it a while back. I think they still have it. I do like it. The only thing I don't like is that the top little tray there doesn't slide out like the bottom one, but it's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and add all of my cleaning products to this tray.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at.
I decided to move my spray bottle underneath my sink. I have this little hook here, so I just decided to put it there. I'm trying to minimize the clutter on top of my sink. I'll explain more later. But anyhow, I thought I was recording when I was filling up this tier tray here, which by the way is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't think it's available anymore. But all I did was put my extra sponges, rags, and any kitchen towels.
Makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing.
Alright, so like I mentioned before, I am trying to minimize the clutter around my sink area. It's still a work in progress, but I'm getting there. And this sponge holder is driving me crazy. I've never really liked them, if I can be honest with you guys. So I had this idea about using this kitchen caddy underneath my sink. So what I did is put my sponge here along with any brushes that I use to do the dishes and things like that. And I just decided to put it underneath my sinks, which in return helps my kitchen sink area look a little bit less cluttered.
You're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
This is the only thing that I purchased to organize the cabinet underneath my sink, and it's a paper towel holder. I have mine currently on my kitchen countertops, and I kind of feel like it's an eyesore, so I decided to buy this adhesive one. You could either use a little adhesive tape on the back, or you can nail it in. So I'm just going to use the adhesive side, and I am adding it to the door underneath my sink area here, and I'm using the paper towels just to kind of give myself an idea of where I want to place it.
You got something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own will. It's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear, cause you know I cannot say no to you. Feeling like home, but should it be like this? Locked up in your dome, you know I fight for you.
So I know this isn't like a Pinterest perfect moment here, but it works for us. So at the end of the day, I guess that's all that matters. I hope that you guys liked today's video and got some ideas. Thank you all so much again for taking the time to watch, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.
Every time you come